Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm having a look at the Kamado Space Infinite Island. CountryWoodSmoke HQ has had a bit of an upgrade. I'm really excited to be working with this company, Kamado Space. It's beautiful, isn't it? This barbecue island is going to make all the difference to me, for my videos, for my barbecue classes, and just generally for cooking. One of the things I was really short of here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ was worktop space and storage space. So this has solved it in a very, very beautiful solution, and I'm very excited to be cooking on this in my future videos. As you can see, I've got the Kamado Joe Classic 3 installed now. It was a bit of a heavy lift, but it's all good, it's in and it's cooking away here. So I'm going to show you some of the features of this barbecue island and why you might like to have this in your barbecue area. So it's more than just a stand for a Kamado. It's got a whole heap of features and really useful additions. So these worktops come pre-cut to fit to your Kamado, depending what model it is, what size it is, and what shape. The ceramic barbecue companies have all got solutions. So that's really exciting that you can tailor this for your own grill. So let's have a look at some of the features. It's got big stainless steel worktop area, wonderful sliding chopping board that sits on top, great prep surface this for a lot of food on here. Your ceramic barbecue sits in here. This is the Classic 3 from Kamado Joe. So you can slide this up and down so you can get access to the drawers underneath. There's 4 shelves here so you can store trays and chopping boards and all the parts for your Kamado in here. And then when you're cooking, you simply drop that. You've got a sliding door. There's an ash drawer in the bottom there. You can pull in your ash and store it and then empty that out when that's full. There's a selection of cupboards here. I've got the top one with my knives and some bowls in. I've got my spices in here. Those are all soft close doors. I've got some pans and grates and stuff in there. Over in this one, great charcoal storage bin. That's pretty impressive. There's lots of storage on the sides as well for these, and you can set it up how you want. On this one, there's a nice herb rack for your fresh herbs for cooking. On this side here, you can have your kitchen roll or butcher's paper here, and a handy hanger for all your tools on the end there. It's on casters as well, so you can roll it around. These are pretty heavy duty wheels, so it's a lot more than just a stand for your barbecue. There's a whole kitchen island unit for your barbecuing, which is amazing. Okay, so it's got some wonderful features, and I'm really excited to be cooking with this Kamado Space Infinite Island. I hope you enjoy what I do in the future, the content I create using this. As you can see, I've had a nice little reorganise of CountryWoodSmoke HQ. Hopefully my videos are going to go to the next level using the Kamado Space and the Kamado Joe Classic 3. Hope you like what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ. The box over there, please subscribe, comment, let me know if you'd fancy something like this in your outdoor kitchen.